Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 59, student delete data in multiple table Laravel 12. Tuition classes in Laravel 12 www.errorsolution.com. This is our official website. This YouTube channel is for the sale $1199 and plus 199941599815. Anytime contact for website related service, please contact this number. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is my project is available. This is gem direct inside this htdoc direct, and this project is already open. This is a project is already run localhost Laravel_12, and this is a successfully student is available, and this is a localhost PSP my admin run successfully, and this is a database inside this list of table is available, and this is available student table is this is a 4 record is available inside this 4 record. This list file is open. Resource view, super admin, student, and this is the index file. This index file inside this is available. This is a delete button. Let's comment save file, and this successfully this is a delete is a comment, not a show. Successfully this is a not show. Control Z and successfully save and refresh this page, and this is a successfully show. Good working. Let's same name copy, and inside this is a URL and paste here, and this is a edit dot dollar value id. Save file. Let's refresh this page, and this is a 2 number is available. Let's click this delete, and successfully this is a delete, not a working. Why? This is a delete. Let's click this delete. Okay, my mistanding inside this is the implementation delete, not a edit. Successfully delete, and I refresh this page, and this is a click this 2 number and delete. Successfully this is a 2 number inside this is a delete is a 2 show. Next is a delete, and this is a 1 is a show. This is available. 3 is a delete, and this is a 3 is a show. Good working. Let's same name copy and route inside this web.php, route.web.php, and inside this is student route get paste here, and this is a $id pass here. This is a $id is a pass here. This $id. And let student controller open, copy the student controller class, and this is a delete function is a set. Successfully copy this name delete copy, and student controller open. This is a student controller is available. Inside this new function is a delete function is a implementation student controller, and inside this is a new delete function is a implementation. Public function delete $id, and inside this is a echo $id and die. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully 3 number is available. Good working. Let's edit, and this delete, and this is a 4 number is a show. All good working fine. But inside this is a alert is a implementation. 1 click alert is a set. 1 click alert in this is a other table is available. Let's show this is a table is open, and this inside this not available. Let's this is a payment inside this alert is available. This is a 1 click. Okay, this is available. Same name copy, and inside this student file is open, and this is a paste here. 1 click alert. This is a 1 click alert is a implementation. Sure, close this and refresh this page. And okay, are you sure want to delete? Cancel is the not a redirect, and this is a okay. The 100% is a redirect. Good working. This is 100% is a working fine. This is delete. All good. Let's back button, click this and refresh this page. Working fine. First of all, this is a table name is available. This table name is student table is available. So successfully this is a student table, and this is a model inside this is a included. This is a model into model is available model inside this is a student model. This is a table is included. Good working. Let's second table is implementation multiple table. First second table is attendance. Let's same name is open. This is attendance table. Inside this is a student table ID is available. This is available. This is a student ID, and successfully this is attendance, and this is a model is available attendance model. Same name is a students, and some copy, and inside this is a create use app model paste here attendance. Third is a implementation. This is a class is available. Class is a class. Successfully class inside this available. Class is not available, only this attendance inside this available student. Class is not available, sorry, my mistake. Unless class is not available, this teach subject. Enrollment is available, student ID, the same name copy, and this is a enrollment table is available inside this same name copy, and inside this is a use app model and paste here. Successfully paste here implementation. Last is a payment table is just check this payment table. This payment table inside the student, successfully payment is available. This is a payment inside this is available, same name copy, use app model paste here. Successfully paste here. Good working. This is a fine. Successfully all set. Let's copy this. Copy inside this all student ID is available, copy, and inside this paste here. Successfully paste, but inside this extra is all remove. This is a not a use. Not use. Let's step by step set. This is a all deleted is a implementation. This is a find $ID, and this is a inside this a new variable is a create, otherwise inside this is a delete, and this is a $get delete record is equal to delete record. Inside this is a where this is ID, this same name is a copy ID and paste here, and this is a delete. Save file. The same name copy and paste here. Same name copy and paste here. Successfully paste here. This is attendance, and this is a variable is not used. Let's remove not use. Attendance inside this is available attendance. This is a table name is attendance is a table name dot attendance dot. Second is a enrollment dot, and third is a payments. Save file, and inside this is all inside this available ID. Inside this is equal to same name copy and paste here. Successfully set, and this is a all table inside this is available. This table ID, this is a student, this is payment ID inside this student. This is all table ID inside this is a student ID is available. Successfully all remove. Return, redirect back with success record successfully delete and save file. Successfully delete and save file. The success message is already included inside this message underscore message. Inside this success message is available. This success message, this message file inside this success message is available. Success message. Let's refresh this page. Inside this is available 1 2 3 4 is available. This is good, and inside this message is shown. Any doubt, so please contact this errorsolutioncode.com. We are here to help 24/7, WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always anytime available. Please contact. And this is my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Let's this successfully set. The student ID is available. Student 1 2 3 4. Let's attendance inside this is available. 2 3 4 is available, 1 not available. So let's 3 is available. This is enrollment is available. This is a 2 number. Good. Let's check. This is a 2 number and last is a payment is inside this 2. This is a 3 is available. Let's check. This is a attendance is a sec. All good. This is a 2 is a remove. This 2 is a remove. Enrollment is a 2 is a remove. This is a 2 and last is a payment inside this 2 is a remove, and this is a 2 is a remove. Let's check. This 2 number is a remove. The 100% all record inside this is a Alex is a remove. Let's click this delete. Okay, successfully this is a 2 is a delete. Successfully 1 2 3 4 is available. Successfully delete. Let's check this 1 3 and 4. Let's refresh this page. This is a 3, 2 is a remove. Let's check this attendance. 100% is a 2 is a remove. Good working. This enrollment successfully 2 is a remove, and last is a payment successfully 2 is a remove. All good working. This is a all successfully. This is a table name is a, and inside this is a this table ID is a all implementation, and this is a working fine. This is a multiple table is a remove. Please step by step write down. This is a first of all this is a button inside this include this button abstract. This is a route is a include this is a route, and this simple where code is a implementation and model is a include. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.